So one of the things I would call kind of the icing on the cake with the Weathermatic partnership is the mobile inspection tool. We've always struggled with coming up with accurate, consistent inspection reports, even from stuff as far as the location of the controllers. One guy might write building 8, one guy might write building 4315 because that's the physical address. And from month to month, that may change, which of course creates some curiosity on the client's behalf of how did our controller move from one building to the other when it didn't. Uh, the Weathermatic mobile inspection app has done a couple of things. One, it's cut our inspection time on average by probably close to 30%, just for the simple fact that there's not a guy standing at the controller actuating the zones while another guy flags it. You can have both guys being efficient, both guys flagging problems moving forward. But the other thing that it's done is it's provided us with a consistent format. A lot of the data is pre-filled. We don't have to count on a technician to accurately record building numbers and locations. That's on a template that's already set up. And the report is consistent, it's professional, it's well organized. We can take snapshots of broken heads, leaks, and insert them into the report very quickly, which of course accelerates the approval time. It cuts out a lot of the negotiation and haggling, and helps them better understand what's really going on with a picture, as well as the documentation. That and the fact that we're not turning in inspection reports with muddy handprints anymore because it's all digital. Has frankly been fantastic. It's something we wondered a little bit. Hey, are the guys going to be able to handle the technology? We're going to have broken, waterlogged iPads everywhere, and that was foolish. We underestimated our guys. They've done a fantastic job with the tool. Their understanding, taking care of the equipment. It's done nothing but help us.